Hello everyone, this is Mr. Clyde, the host of Bad Thoughts, and he is a leather stop-motion puppet. Okay, now you can take a look in here. I control the eyebrows, the eyeballs, a little bit of the eyelids I control this way, a little bit of the cheeks I control this way, and in some cases, the jaw is also controlled this way. Now, the mouth is attached to this. Everything is attached to this post. This is an old way of making these. I don't do it anymore, but everything's basically attached to this post. What's up? All right. Let's see if you can see what I'm doing. From one side to the other, a slight reduction in his grin. So it's just a little bit, just a subtle change. Sometimes is all you need. Okay, I had to pick him up and take a closer look at him. I couldn't really do it through the camera, but I did a little more to his same controls that I showed you, and now he's ready for me to place him where I need him. So all I do for that is magnet feet to the middle. And then here's the book. Okay. There he is. That is how you make a comic book without being able to draw.